Hi, I'm Tom the Tech, and I'm here to help you service your Dustless Blaster. If your machine is clogging, sputtering, or pulsing, it may be a problem of inconsistent or trashy media or debris that needs to be flushed out. As always, start by depressurizing the machine by closing the air inlet valve and opening the blowdown valve. We're going to rotate the machine sideways now so you can see the bottom, but keep your blaster upright. Remove the two bolts and the two ears or wings from the machine. Move the air inlet body aside and you'll find the bottom of the air inlet jet behind it, which looks kind of like a pilgrim hat. Remove that as well as the gasket behind it. You may need to use the abrasive lever to force the air inlet jet out. Flush out the inside of your machine with water and visually inspect the inside of the blast pod to make sure you've removed any debris. Now you can replace the gasket, inlet jet, and air inlet body, then the ears and bolts. Once you've got everything put back in place and your bolts are retightened, you're done. If you're still experiencing problems after this procedure, feel free to contact us and we'll help you out as soon as we can.